Hey guys, welcome back. If you guys can't already tell by the name of the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your brushes in two effective ways. One is going to be a high-end professional way, and the other one is just going to be if you're on a budget. Girl, I got you. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform my brushes from this to this. Just keep on watching. Someone's trying to film here. I'm gonna set a timer to see how long it takes me to finish washing all my brushes. So the first one is gonna be the Blender Cleanser Solid Pro, and I got the biggest one because I was like, might as well go with the biggest one. And I haven't opened it yet. I got it like a while ago, but I've been saving it so I can freaking film this video, and I'm finally gonna clean these brushes. Yeah, these are freaking filthy. It's so gross. And the cheaper one is the Dawn Ultra. I usually use the one with the little animal, but we don't have that one this time, so whatever. I just grabbed that one and put it into a little tube. You're gonna need a little bowl of water, and also you're gonna need a little scrubby thing. I got this for like $3. I don't remember. I've had this for a really long time. But it works really good. You can find these at Sephora for like $15. You can order them on Sigma. I've seen them there. You can literally order it on Amazon, anywhere. If you guys want to learn how to wash your brushes, let's get started. I'll use this one for the high end. I'll use both these products, and I'll use this one for the cheaper side, okay? So the pink one is going to be the affordable side, and the blue towel is going to be the more expensive one. And then this is where I'm going to be placing all my brushes once they're dry. And I found this acrylic container at Ross, and it was $12. I was just using this temporarily. I don't think it's that cute, but it does the job. You know, it holds all my damn brushes. There's so many little slots. I just got these from Target. You know how they have the little dollar area for each season. These are the Valentine's season ones. And then I have two sponges. I have my Real Techniques one for the affordable side, and then I have my Beauty Blender for the expensive side. Okay, so I have a bowl of water for the one I got at Sephora, and then I have a different bowl for the one I'm going to use for the Dawn. I'm just going to go ahead and pour a little bit in there. You don't need a lot. Actually, let me get you guys in a little closer so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. So by using the Dawn to wash your brushes, and specifically the one with the animal, it's really gentle on your brushes. It removes the pigment, the oil, dirt, and it kicks the bacteria, like I said. So what the soap is going to do is strip the brush hairs of its natural oils. Just I'm going to be cleaning with the Blender Cleanser is my eye brushes, and the Dawn I'm going to be using my face brushes. I feel like, honestly, I'm having to use a lot of soap. I've seen a lot of people use baby shampoo, and it doesn't work. It's not effective, and the reason is because baby shampoo doesn't disinfect. And the only reason why people don't buy a real brush cleanser is simply because they don't want to invest in a daily cleanser. And I totally get it, but I just wanted to try both out and see which one works the best. And it honestly leaves it really clean. This is the Dawn. And the best thing about the Dawn is it's 99.9% effective. So it's like stripping all the oil, all the dirt, all the serums, all the makeup that's trapped. And like the next day when you're using the same brush you've been using the past week, it's like no surprise that you're going to get acne, you know, because you haven't washed your brushes. It's like the equivalence of not washing your face, you know. And storing your brushes is just as important as cleaning them. And the reason is because like there's so much dust and dirt that can fall onto your brushes, and it just, you know, causes a lot of blemishes or like blackheads. Girl, we don't want blackheads, and we don't want pimples. So the brushes I recommend you guys clean the most, or at least once a week or twice a week, or honestly if you have time every day, is your foundation brush and your eyeshadow brushes that you use every day. And not only is it good for your face, but it's also it'll also show in your makeup. Like if you use the same brush that you're using for brush every day, and you're using different colors on there, the color is not going to be that good. The payoff is going to be shit. Take some time out of your day, wash your brushes while you're watching TV. I almost forgot. Pause that real quick. When you're done washing your brushes, you want to store them in a container like this, either plastic or glass, and face them down, because if you face them either laying down or facing upward like this, all the water is going to drip to the to this part right here of the brush, So it's going to drip down to this part of the brush, and it's going to cause it to break apart, and that's why a lot of the brushes that I have are broken or super loose because the water dripped and the glue was intact or whatever. So be careful and save yourself a lot of brushes. Save yourself some money, because then you're going to have to go out and buy another brush if your brush is ruined. So yeah, go ahead and store it like this. You can see that, but just in case you guys get nervous and you see your brush is shedding, this is the first time I'm washing this brush actually. So the first time you're washing your brush, it's natural for the hairs to fall out. It shouldn't be shedding a lot, but a little bit is normal, you know, or like not too much. So don't be concerned if you see your brushes shedding after washing it for the first time. It's just like getting rid of the loose hairs. And actually, I recommend that you wash your brushes before you use them when they're brand new. Even though they are brand new, I feel like the payoff is way better once they're like washed and they're like smoother and like broken into. I don't know. There's just a difference to it. Like you can tell, or at least I can tell. So I just wanted to show you guys how my Real Techniques blender looks like before I wash it. And this one's actually, I'm just going to soak it into water so it's like super soaked. And then I'm going to add the rest of the Dawn onto that. And then you're just going to go ahead and squeeze that. And this is the easiest one to clean, this one in the Beauty Blender, because like you can wash it before every use and under the sink. And with the Dawn, it like smells so good, so I love using that before I apply my foundation. It's like a whiff of heaven. I'm just kidding. You see all the dirt is coming out. Soak it. You get the idea. And the best way to dry this is just with a little towel. I'm using this one I got at Target. And just squeeze out the excess water out. And I love how it feels after it's like washed, because it feels like a little marshmallow. It's so squishy. How about how I've been washing for my brushes for over an hour, and I literally only just now finished washing the face ones with the Dawn. Okay, so the soap does come in this little container. It's just a big round thing, but I'm just going to keep it in here for right now, just in case the water does fall in there. It just like stays in there. I want to keep it as clean as possible. So I'm just going to grab any like random little brush. I'm going to dip it into the water, and then I'm going to scrub it onto the soap, and then onto the brush. Wow, that's really clean. Just left a little bit of residue in the back, but with one wash, that's impressive actually. It takes a lot longer with the Dawn, honestly. That's so clean. I'm shook. To the next. This is gonna be so fast. I'm just putting a little bit of water, just like barely tap it in there, so the tips are soaked. And then again, going in with the soap. Guys, this is the first time I'm ever using this, and I definitely recommend this. This is so good. I'm definitely going to keep buying this. I don't remember how much this was, but I'll leave it right here. Double check for you guys and leave the prices down in the description box as well if you guys can't find it. And I'm done. Almost 2 hours. That's how long it took me to wash all my brushes, you guys. Okay, so anyways, it took me about 2 hours to clean my brushes. It took me a little longer to clean my brushes with the Dawn rather than with the Blender Pro. It felt like as soon as I started cleaning the brushes with the Pro, it was like taking off the makeup super fast, and like I was honestly very impressed. I'm definitely going to keep buying this as soon as I run out of this one. Channel. Today I'm gonna be showing what is this? What the fuck? Hey guys, welcome. Oh my god. Hey guys, what's up?